And you're not special. You think you're better than the other women in the program. It's clear to me. And I've had it. You're about to get the wake-up call of your life, Abigail. I'm talking. I'm about to give you the wake-up call of your life. Oh, are you shocked by this? Are you surprised? Going the wrong way on one of the busiest freeways, probably in the country. You should have been doing prison time. You should have been. And you were given a gift, and you have squandered it.
I mean, if it's not going to matter, it doesn't.
Does my face look like it's going to matter?
No, it really doesn't.
Okay, you're about to go in just about 3 minutes.
I was throwing up all week. I haven't eaten in 6 days. That's why I missed on Wednesday.
I'm talking.
I'm going through an epilepsy diagnosis. I'm having seizures in my sleep. I slept through a therapy appointment.
And you're throwing up for days on end. I don't want to hear anything else.
This 23-year-old defendant is facing 3 charges for one night. She was caught driving drunk on the wrong side of I-75, then tried to run from the police and even resisted arrest when they caught her somehow. I mean, she still managed to get probation instead of jail time. You would think that kind of break would make anybody straighten up, but she acted like it was no big deal. The judge here has already given her more chances than she deserves, and you could just tell she is out of patience. Would you guys continue her on probation or finally make her serve some jail time for it? Let's dive in here and watch.
You failed to appear for your appointment with the probation officer scheduled at 8 a.m. on December 18th. How do you plead?
Guilty.
To the allegation you failed to attend individual therapy at the guidance center as scheduled on 12/12. How do you plead?
Guilty.
And then we're doing and to the allegation you failed to attend your individual therapy on 12/13. How do you plead?
Not guilty.
All right. All right, I'm going to accept the 2 guilty pleas as knowing and voluntarily given. All right. So I saw you, Abigail, on the 10th. And on the 10th, I let you turn yourself in for a day next door. I let you turn yourself in because I care more about your job than you do. So then the day after that, I do this on Tuesday. You miss your guidance, your therapy appointment on Thursday. And then you miss your appointment with Kara yesterday. And it's like I don't know what you were thinking. Abigail, we've had trouble with you since you came in. It's not use violations. Oh, are you shocked by this? Are you surprised? Well, you should not be. You have consistently, if I count your violations, like I know that we're on number 7, but if you look at them, number 7's 3. Number 6 was 1, 2, 3, 4, right? I mean, it's like Kara's bunching them because it makes sense when you have that many violations in a short period of time. But you're consistently, you think this is Abigail's treatment court, and it's not. Yes, you do. It's a 23rd District Court treatment court program, and you're not special. You're not special in this program. Everyone else has to show up, and they have to do what they have to do to survive, but not Abigail. Abigail can cancel her appointments as she sees fit. She can miss things, and it's a consistent pattern. And the response that we always get from you is like, well, I have a job. Well, your recovery is more important than your job. Because if you're sitting in Wayne County Jail, quite frankly, Abigail, on this, it should have been charged as a 3rd, and you should have a felony right now. Because let's talk about your record for a minute. You've had 3 drunk drivings in how long?
Within a couple of years.
Right? When was your first one?
February of 2023.
Okay. When was your second one?
December of last year.
Of 23?
Yes.
Okay. Oh my gosh. When was your third?
April.
April of 24. 3 drunk drivings in a year? Less than a year? Am I bad at math?
Oh, just over a year.
Just over a year. 3 drunk drivings. How old are you?
23.
Your last drunk driving, Abigail, you drove the wrong way on which freeway? Which one?
75.
75 we are miles out of Detroit. One of the busiest freeways in the state of Michigan, and one of the busiest areas in the state of Michigan. And you drove the wrong way on the freeway. That's how drunk you were.
I understand, Your Honor.
Okay, well, we're going over it because I don't think you do. I genuinely do not think you understand.
Anyone who has driven I-75 knows how busy that highway is. The idea of going the wrong way down it while drunk is beyond reckless. But what really gets me here is how she handled probation. She literally skipped out on treatment, missed meetings, and blamed her job for everything. But don't worry, she has way more excuses at the end of this video, too. And the judge even said it straight to her face that if she ends up in jail, the job will not matter anyway. This kind of attitude shows zero respect for the court of law. And I know plenty of people watching probably feel the same way about seeing somebody waste a second chance like this. If you agree that this judge has every right to throw her in jail, like the video so I can see how many people are level-headed.
And then you wouldn't stop for the cops. And a cop had to tap your car to get you to stop and get you from killing someone else or killing yourself at 23 years old, your third one in just over a year. And you got a gift. One, you got your life. You're not dead. You're not in prison for killing someone else, which is a miracle, going the wrong way on one of the busiest freeways, probably in the country. We're the Motor City, and you're driving the wrong way on one of the busiest freeways outside of Detroit. Then you get the benefit somehow of, instead of having a felony, you get the benefit of getting a misdemeanor for this. And in exchange, you have to do a treatment court program. That's the thing. And you should have been doing prison time. You should have been, or at least significant jail time. And you were given a gift and you have squandered it. I have watched you since you come into this program. You think you're better than the other women in the program. It's clear to me. You think that, well, I'm going to start sponsoring someone, and you have all this time for all of these other activities. You don't have time to show up and do the things you have to do to stay out of jail. And I've had it. You're about to get the wake-up call of your life, Abigail. I'm talking. I'm about to give you the wake-up call of your life, okay? Because have you ever been to Wayne County Jail?
No.
Okay, you're about to go in just about 3 minutes. But let me tell you something. I have been to Wayne County Jail. I've been to Wayne County Jail a lot. I was there when I was a defense attorney, and I was there when I was a prosecutor. And it is not a nice place. It is not a pleasant place. And me giving you a day next door is not teaching you anything. I need you to understand you are looking at months in jail. Months. And quite frankly, even at their new facility, probably one of the grossest jails I've ever been in. And with people who are sitting in jail, awaiting trial or sentencing on pretty significant crimes. And you'll probably think you're better than them. And you're not, Abigail, because that's where you should be. So you are getting the wake-up call of your life. You're going to sit down in the Wayne County Jail. What's your rec?
3 days.
5 days. You're doing 5 days in the Wayne County Jail. You got nothing else to do. Forget your job. Forget everything else, Abigail. I want you to understand this. I want you to really reflect on the next 5 days. I want you to sit there and think, is that the life you want? Or do you want to comply? I'm talking. You can either comply with this program and get it together, or you can go do your 90. It makes no difference to me. I'd prefer you be here. I prefer you get the help you need, because whether you realize it or not, you have a problem, and you belong in this program more than a lot of the other women that are here. Because what you have done on these 3 offenses is abysmal. It's terrifying. You're doing your 5 days at the Wayne County Jail. I'm writing no early release. You're gonna really reflect. You'll be out for Christmas. My gut tells me to give you 7, and I don't know that you deserve that yet. You're going in right now. You'll get out in 5 days. No early release.
I can't explain
No, I don't need it. I don't care what you want. Okay, go ahead, Al. Go ahead. Let's see if we can get you up to 7 days. Tell me what you got.
The moment she started talking while the judge was speaking, you could just feel the air leave the room. You literally never interrupt the judge during sentencing because that never ends well. And I just love how the courtroom went completely quiet, and even you can't even see this defense attorney talking or even showing any emotion. He just knows it's over. But the judge already gave her the 5 days in jail, which honestly could have been a lot worse considering the charges she's dealing with. So I don't even know why she's trying to talk right now. I mean, I've seen judges throw people in for months over less stuff. I mean, you could tell the judge here is very, very patient. I mean, she did blow up here, but it's obviously for good reason. When you watch these cases long enough, you could just tell who is ready to change and who is not. And she is still stuck in denial based on her reaction. I feel like half the people watching right now probably think 5 days is fair. And the other half of you guys think that is not nearly enough. And be honest in the comments. Do you guys really think 5 days is going to change your behavior here? Because I really don't.
I mean, if it's not gonna matter, it doesn't.
Does my face look like it's going to matter?
No, it really doesn't. I had a lot of really nice things to say about the program. I really appreciate being here. I understand that what I did is absolutely horrible. I feel awful about it every single day. I'm haunted by it, honestly.
You should be.
And I feel really, really grateful to be in this program and to have the opportunity to work towards a better life versus just incarceration. And I feel really grateful for treatment.
Well, show up and do the program or go sit in jail. That's your option.
I was
And when you
throwing
come
up
back-
all week. I haven't eaten in 6
Abigail.
days. That's why I missed on Wednesday.
Abigail, listen to me.
I'm going through an epilepsy diagnosis. I'm having seizures in my sleep. I slept through a therapy appointment and I have a text from Josh that says any day that we need Zoom, we can use it. And then I showed up. And then he told me that we couldn't use it. It was a misunderstanding, miscommunication on his part or mine. I don't know, but I genuinely, I took everything into account the last time I was in front of you and I took
And
it to
then
heart.
you immediately missed another
Because
appointment
I've been
and you're,
throwing up
I'm
for
done.
days on
I don't want to
end.
hear, I don't want to hear anything else. I'll mark your file medical, enjoy your 5 days in the Wayne County Jail. When you come back, you can tell me whether you want to be here or whether you want to give your spot up for someone who's earned it.
There was a hearing date for the.
I don't care about the other violation, dismiss it. All right, come on up. Ms. Heiss, I need you real quick at the podium. I need to give you your appeal rights. Not give you your appeal rights, and I want to make sure you know them from the date of your sentence or as permitted pursuant to MCR. Thank you, Ms. Heiss, you're all set. Can you please not make Ms. Heiss listen to that for too long?
This is literally exactly what happens when you waste every second chance a court gives you. Probation really isn't a punishment the way most people see it. It's basically just a warning, and she completely ignored it. The judge made it literally so clear that this was the last time she was going to hear excuses. And 5 days might not seem like much. But when it comes from a judge who has had enough, it just hits different. Even though it was 5 days, I think it was a right call to give her in jail. And maybe it will finally get through to her. Who knows? I mean, it might not. But it really does show how fast a court can flip from patient to fed up once you push too far. So, what do you guys think in the comments? Do you think the judge is too harsh? Because I know a lot of you guys think that every single video. I mean, I don't respond to everybody who says that because half of the time I think you guys are joking because I mean, we're literally dealing with criminals and people who violate the law. I mean, these aren't your everyday people, you know, driving on the wrong side of the freeway. So, let me know if you think this 5-day sentence was harsh or not. Thank you so much for watching. Guys, make sure to like and subscribe if you